So if you want to update some lots after you've already created them, you have a few options. From the lots list, you can either select all or select some lots. And if you go up to here to the back actions, you can click edit selected lots. That will just edit the lots you've clicked the check mark next to, or you can edit lots in list, which will edit every lot in the auction. Now from the update lots page, you can change any of the displayed settings. If it says no change, then it won't affect any of the lots. But if you go through and you add a value into one of these fields and then click update batch, it will change that field for every one of the lots that you selected or every lot in the list, depending on which option you chose. It's just so if you wanted to add a consigner to every lot in the auction or to just specific lots in the auction, you can go here, click assign, then you can search for the consigner based on their first name, last name, consigner ID, phone, or company name. Or you can click to add a consigner from this location. So you can add a custom consigner right from the edit item list and then just click add.